Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to manage your watch list on Instagram. The first thing you need to know is, and in this part of this Instagram option, in the beginning was the IGTVs, but now that option is updated to the Reels, and I teach to you to use this watch list on Instagram with the reels of the videos. And the second thing you need to know is that video need to, the duration is need to be 1 minute of video. And you need to go to the Instagram app to manage this watch list. You need to go to your profile. And here in this option, in the middle of the post and the tags of the stories, here in this option of the reels, you got the reel. For example, the duration is a minute. If you want to, delete that reel, the only thing you need to do is go to these 3 points, and you pick in this option is eliminar, but in English is delete. You pick in delete, and you can, delete that reel. If you want to post a reel, you pick here in this option, and you can choose the video of 1 minute. And here in this option, for example, you can pick the option of reel, and you can upload that video to the reel. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.